What's up, online shoppers? I just got given this really cool torque multiplier by Vevor for the purpose of doing a review. So let's open it up and see what's in the box when you order it. So right off the bat, I love the nice kit that it comes with. It's got 2 latches on the top here, a nice carrying handle, and it offers the wrench inside good protection. So let's open this up. Okay, there we go. And we'll open it up. Now, first of all, let's talk about the quality. I don't know if you can tell from this, but it is super heavy duty. This actually weighs 20 pounds. It is made of alloyed steel, and it also has a black oxide finish. So you can see this is definitely a tool with some heft. Now, everything in here comes pre-wrapped, and the pieces that are in here are actually oiled to prevent them from rusting because they are alloy steel. You take a look here, you've got all these different adjustments. I'm just gonna open these up. This is the first time I've opened the box, so we'll open it up and see what we've got. There we go. Now, clearly for maintenance, you're gonna wanna keep a little bit of oil handy to prevent these from rusting. As far as parts go, you have your 1-inch drive torque wrench right here. You can see it's quite heavy, 20 pounds worth, well, probably about 19 pounds worth. I love that everything clicks in as well. This is your rocking handlebar right there, and right in here is the rubber gripped extension handle. You can actually fit it right onto here to give you more leverage and torque. It fits really nice on there. Now, this is gonna work for trucks, for buses, for RVs, and also for semis. Now, as far as sizes for the sockets, this one here is a 21-inch square. This one here is your 33mm socket, and this one here is the 41mm socket, and this one here is the 38mm socket. So you do have a variety of sizes as well, and this is going to help you work on all those larger vehicles. Now, this is actually a really efficient torque multiplier. The efficiency ratio for the gear is 1:64, and because of the way this is designed, it's going to give you up to 6,800 Newton meters of output torque. With torque like that, you're definitely not going to struggle to loosen any really tight locked nuts. Now, this handle is really awesome. It's got a really nice rubber grip on it, and the grip has some detailing on it that's going to make that texturized handle a lot easier to hold onto. It's going to be a lot less likely to slip out of your hand because it isn't just a smooth handle. You can actually dig into this and grab a good grip on it. I also love that everything comes in this really nice case. It's going to be a lot easier to transport everything because it's in this great locking case. And everything fits in with a nice snap, so once you have everything put away and snapped in place, it's nice and securely fastened. If you are looking for a really great torque multiplier, this one by Vevor is awesome. It's alloyed steel with a black powder coat finish. You've got 4 different sockets in a variety of highly used sizes. It's got a great extender handle and a really comfortable grip for holding onto this handle, and an overall nice carrying case. I definitely think this could be a family favorite at your house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.